Hello students, welcome. My name is Teacher Nessa and I'm very excited to be your new English teacher. I'm really looking forward to getting to know each one of you and helping you on your English learning journey. I know that learning a new language can be challenging at times, but don't worry, we're going to make it fun and enjoyable. I'm here to support you every step of the way, and together we'll work on improving your speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. I'm proud of you for taking the step to learn English, and I'm here to make sure you succeed. I can't wait to see you and the progress you'll make, and I'm excited to start this learning journey with you. Thank you for welcoming me as your teacher, and let's make this a great experience together. See you in my class. Bye!